Broad or exact match on Amazon PPC, what's better? And the answer is, of course, it depends. But in general, broad match is easier, exact match is harder. Now, this is an exact match campaign, spent $34, made 600. That's a 5% ACOS, which is awesome on this, right? So exact match does work. It is more difficult. And I'm going to be explaining why towards the end of the video and exactly what the difference is. But we do broad match as well. And broad match, we spent only 17 cents, made $32. That's a 0.52% ACOS. That one does good. Another broad match, spent 28 cents, made $32.99, 0.85, under 1% ACOS. This one's almost at 2%, so this one is definitely a losing campaign, but 0.62, so spent less than $1, made pretty much 33 bucks, not bad at all. Another broad match. So the first one I showed you was exact, the other three were broad match, right? So you're going to be like, oh, broad match is better. I like exact match better, right? Now, I'm just going to be going over kind of like an explanation on this right now. So we've got broad match right here. And it is easier. It's easier. It's usually cheaper, right? And it's a wide fishing net. So if you're fishing, right, you get a big net, you throw it, and then you pull it in, right? And you get all this fish. And it's awesome. It's great. It's a great way to just throw something, get it back. It's cheap, easy. Broad match is going to be great for when you're starting out. Or just to always have, you should always be doing it. Now we're going to exact match. And exact match is more like spear fishing. You can see this dude, he spear fished, got a huge fish with a spear. So the spear fishing is more energy, right? But for spear fishing, you can actually get a bigger fish. You can get the best fish because you're lasered in, you're focused on finding the best fish. So the first thing you do is you go here and you find the best fishing spots with your broad match. Once you find the best fishing spots, aka the best keywords to use, then you start creating an exact match campaign, spear fishing campaign, and you target the biggest and the best keywords for your product. Once you do that, it's going to give you the highest ROI. Right? So instead of leasing apartments to everybody, now you're leasing homes, actual homes to people, right? You're moving up. You're doing more specific, more focused. Instead of a broad approach, you're doing a very specific approach. That's the difference between broad match and exact match. You could do this forever. This is fine. But if you want to make the big bucks long term, you're going to want to find the best spots, the best keywords, double down on this, and start your spear fishing routine at the end of the day. That's pretty much the difference between the two, right? So they're both good. They're both different. I like exact match long term. We're always going to start with broad match, right? But once you find those keywords that work the best for your product, those fishing areas that have the biggest and best fish that aren't going to catch them with this net, it's time to start getting the spear out and going specific. Keep doing both. But that's my recommendation. That's my explanation. I hope that this helps. And of course, at the end of the day, you do need to have a good listing. If your listing's not good, none of these strategies are going to work at all, right? So just go to our website. You can get a free listing audit. You just fill this out. Once you fill that out, we're going to look at your top competitors and then show you exactly what you need to do to improve your listing. So when you're running ads, people click and people buy. That's what's important. That's how you get low ACOS. If you're not selling something good and you have great advertising strategy, it's just not going to do good at the end of the day. But that's it for today's video. Want more Amazon videos? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. We'll manage your inventory, ads, customer service, designs, all the above, so you can focus on growing your business while we focus on sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.